Mastering adventure, travel photography tips, gear, and hacks you need to know. Adventure photography is more than just clicking photos. It's about capturing the essence of the journey, the exhilaration of the moment, the spirit of exploration. These 20 tips aim to enhance your travel photography skills, making every shot a masterpiece. Embarking on an adventure means unexpected turns. Understanding your camera settings and techniques beforehand helps you capture the beauty of the unexpected. Knowing your camera is your primary tool in travel photography. Every destination has its unique light. Exploring different lighting situations like sunrise, sunset, or harsh midday sun can dramatically change your images. Be creative with your light sources. The rule of thirds is a basic composition rule in photography. Imagine breaking your frame into 9 equal parts and placing the subject on the intersection of these lines. It results in a more balanced and engaging photo. Documentation is as crucial as the actual photography. Keep a travel diary to note down the specifics of each location, the lighting conditions, or any particular elements you want to highlight. In adventure photography, patience pays off. Waiting for the perfect lighting, the perfect wave, or the perfect smile will often reward you with the perfect picture. Don't shy away from experimenting with perspectives. Shooting from different angles, low, high, wide, tight, adds variety and depth to your images. A good travel photograph tells a story. It captures a moment, a feeling, an experience. Make sure your photos convey the essence of your travels. Incorporate local elements into your images. It could be a local market, a traditional dress, or a street performer. These elements add authenticity to your photos. Invest in a good camera bag. It will protect your gear from harsh weather conditions and make it more manageable to carry around. Always have extra memory cards and batteries. You don't want to miss out on a perfect shot because you ran out of storage or battery. Don't forget about the magic hour. The period just after sunrise or just before sunset provides the most beautiful natural light. Maintain your gear regularly. A clean lens and sensor will significantly improve the quality of your photos. Research about your destination beforehand. It will give you an idea of the kind of photos you want to take. Never underestimate the power of a good tripod. It can be your best friend in low light conditions and for capturing those stunning long exposure shots. Capture the details. It's not just about the big landscapes, but also the small details that make up the place. Don't clutter your frame. Keep your compositions simple and clean for more impactful images. Respect the local culture. Always ask for permission before clicking pictures of people or private property. And lastly, enjoy the process. Adventure photography is all about the experience. So soak in the moment, enjoy your surroundings, and let your passion reflect in your pictures.